This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both wire and clip so the joint is secure. Strip about 6 to 8 mm of insulation and twist the strands so they won't fray. Once done, slide heat shrink onto the wire before you attach the clip, so you won't forget it. Make sure you've matched clip color to battery terminal, red for positive, black for negative, and that the wire gauge matches the current you expect. This prevents overheating and poor contact. Now make the electrical joint. If you crimp, use a ratcheting crimper and the correct terminal size so the metal deforms properly. If you solder, heat the lug and feed solder into the joint, not the iron, to ensure flow. Once the conductor is seated in the clip jaw or solder cup, perform a firm pull test to verify mechanical integrity. After that, slide the heat shrink over the connection and shrink it with a heat gun. This both insulates and adds strain relief. Finish by attaching the clips to the battery terminals. Connect positive first, then negative, and make sure you don't bridge terminals with metal. Once connected, verify polarity and voltage with a multimeter and run a short functional test while watching for heat or arcing. If you see high resistance, intermittent contact, or heating, disconnect immediately. Restrip the conductor, redo the crimp or solder joint, and replace frayed wire or damaged clips. That single troubleshooting step fixes most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.